Loves, welcome back to my channel. So this is Shak My Love, and on this planet we do talk about fashion, beauty, lifestyle and level up and a little bit of everything. So if you're interested in the above mentioned, kindly go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss anything whenever I post a video. So today we have another video. So this is going to be a vlog. This week is going to be a tight one, really a tight one. On Sunday, last week but one on Sunday, I went to Mubende. I think you saw that video. So I went and visited the biggest and the best coffee plantation farm in Africa, actually, because they are ranked the best. So it is called Kawele Coffee Plantation Farm, and it is found in Mubende, and the village, I've forgotten the village, but I'll be with time. So I went there. I of course, if you watch that video, you know what I'm talking about. If you don't know it, of course you have to go and watch it, and then you come and follow up with other videos, catch up with other videos, because that is not the end of it. So today is, I think, 24th, 25th, around there, I don't know, I've forgotten, and it is a Tuesday. So I'm going back. I'm just leaving my home right now. I'm going back, though. I'm going to first go to Mityana there to do some things. Last time we had going to do some research and then see how things are done, and then it was more of a feasibility study. This is the second time. The first time we went to Mityana, we did that last year, and then last week we went to Mubende. So today I'm going to go to Mityana. The thing that I have to do, I have errands to run, I have to go, like, a lot. So I'm going to be taking you with me, and then tomorrow, of course, I'm going to sleep in Mityana, and then tomorrow I'm going to go to Mubende, back to the farm, and proceed with what I'm supposed to do. This year I feel like it's my year. I feel like I need to try out new things. Like, I'm not saying I'm leaving the things that interest me, things that I have passion in, but I feel like I have to be engaged in different sectors, different things. Yeah, that's what I feel like, and that's what I'm doing. So I'm going to take you with me on the journey till I come back. And then when I come back, I think I'm going to come back tomorrow on Wednesday at night, of course, because Mubende is very far. And then I rest on Thursday, and then I have to go on Thursday evening, or Friday morning I have to go to Mukono at our place, home place. Saturday we have a dua for my late dad. So yeah, that's the program. It's going to be a tight one, but please follow. It's going to be an amazing journey. Why am I going to Mubende or Mityana? It's all about coffee. So keep on the channel. You'll be learning more, and you'll be seeing a lot of content, and the plans, of course, that I have on this channel and on this journey that I'm taking. Otherwise, I'm getting late, so I'm going with this bag. I don't know how to pack. I've been saying I'm going to take like a small bag with a few clothes, but I don't know why it looks so big. I even wanted to carry a laptop, but I feel like it's going to be heavy. So I'm taking this, and I'm also going to be having this. So it has my cards, of course, my Stanbic Bank, and then my Bank of Africa, and then I also have this because, yeah, they know Kumberam. So, and then my phone, my shades, and all that. So let's go. Okay, see you guys.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So it is the next day. Today I'm from Mubende. Actually, I've been so busy since yesterday. I've come back, I feel good, I've refreshed, but my body is paining, like I have body pain. So tomorrow I'm thinking of going to the salon to do a self-care, but I don't know whether I will manage. I'm just tired, so I'm just from eating, showering, and doing a simple routine because I've been moving up and down. So you know that dust, it just spoils the skin and all that. So tomorrow I was thinking of doing laundry, but the lady who does my laundry is not on. Like I tried to call her, but she wasn't on, and I also wanted to go for my nose, and then
But if I lay down and I play dead,